Operation Flashpoint. Rip out the heart of their space program. Eradicate their long-range missile project. Take out the Ascension Group. Nazis, scientists, co-opted by the Russians after the war.
He needed their knowledge. What they'd learned.
Operation 40 had planted a double agent working with the Ascension Group.
Edgar Growy Weaver. His mission was to sabotage the rocket.
But something went wrong, Mason.
I can't get these fucking numbers out of my head.
Weaver. We gotta move. Stay sharp, Mason. Let's go. Pick it up. Whiskey, come back.
Go, X-Ray.
Soyuz 1 launch is imminent. We're on our way. Over.
Roger.
Running out of time, Mason. Let's go. Way too much activity. Yankee 1-3, report. Yankee 1-3, report. Weaver's gone dark. Here, see what's out there.
They're at final countdown. Here's Soyuz 2. Scheduled to launch 10 minutes after Soyuz 1.
Mason, we get activity on the road. Check it out.
Weaver. He's burned.
Your colleague is unwilling to explain his presence in this facility.
Who the fuck is this?
Surrender now, and you will be allowed to leave.
It's Kravchenko. Dragovich is second in command.
This is your only warning.
There's nothing we can do, Mason. Weaver's done.
No.
Your choice.
This is not good.
Whiskey, to your new position.
Roger, X-Ray. Whiskey is covering the road.
Weaver's been compromised. Respect the base, be an elevated alert. Hold your position, we are inbound.
Roger.
All right, let's go. Chopper's inbound! Move it! Follow me, keep moving. Good. Pick it up. I need those uniforms. I'll take the one on the ground. You get the other. Do it. Let's get him out of sight.
Was saving Weaver more important to you than your objective to kill General Dragovich?
Weaver was Russian. He was alright.
Hope your time for Kuda helped your Russian, Mason.
You fucking better. We gotta save Weaver.
Hold your fire, work to disguise.
Эй, что это за шум?
Да, собаки по градке.
Ладно, будьте начеку. Если чертовы псы будут брехать, пристрелите их.
Да, да. We're good. Crooks and Boulder should be right up ahead.
X-ray, this is Whiskey. Hostiles in sight. Take them out.
Hustle up. What happened to Weaver? He's compromised.
Continue his plan. We'll make a new opportunity.
All right, let's move.
Что происходит? Повышение давления. В Отсаке
Don't draw any
12А.
attention.
Может остановить? Нет. Вспомогательная система должна вспомогательная Людмила Колобяне.
Ты уверен?
У нас
Уверен.
проблема. Охрана квадрат не выходила обратно. Не выходить на связь.
They may have found the paddles. We're good. Just do what they do.
Tom's building over there.
Snipers on the roof. Couple more on foot. Okay, Bowman, Brooks, get him out of the way. У нас проблема. Со мной. You ready? Clear his floor before we move up. I'll shut down the convoy. Go!
Скоро его не будет!
Я их вижу!
Он ранен!
Grenade out! Contact down.
X-ray, come in. Over. Go ahead, Bowman. Just got a visual on Weaver. He's been taken to a bunker south of the comms building.
Mason! Mason, get over here. Crossbow, explosive bolts, now! I'll cover the ladder.
Он понял поле зрения!
Enemy moving in from the north. We're pinned down.
We got company. They're pinned down. Take out those vehicles.
He's down.
That truck! Watch the truck! Gunfire's drawing attention. Those assholes on the way back. I'll secure the line, you take the shot. Make it quick, Mason.
Go, go, go.
Clear right.
Clear left.
You able to continue on mission, Weaver?
Let's do it! Did you sabotage the guidance system? I was compromised.
That's what Blue being subtle. Move to plan B.
There may still be time to abort the launch. We need to get to the auxiliary control bunker.
You saved his life. Now you had to locate the Ascension group and kill the scientists.
No. I had to kill Dragovich.
We've been made. Lose the Balaclavas. Mason, on me!
Grab your ass! We got a fight on our hands!
What? Really? Touch down! Back to rally! Tango! Target down!
Reloading! Cover me!
Back to rally! Tango! Tango at 2 units! Легко! Раненый! Скоро его не будет! What? Really? Target down! Check right! Another quarter! Grenade out! Быстрее! Отсюда! He's dead!
He's down! Grenade out!
Вот они!
Confirm!
Понял! Кидаю гранату!
Хорошо! Эльфинская! Приставил граната!
Понял!
Будет сделаю!
Остановься! Он у меня на мушке!
Красный!
Вон они! Моя!
Watch it, soldier!
Throwing a frag!
Давай на поражение! Your side! Your side! Медицинская! Mason, blow a hole in that fucking wall.
Set.
We have to destroy the rocket, no matter what. It's too late, I can't stop it!
Plan B, Bowman, set it up.
This'll do it.
Blow it, Mason!
Now!
Hell of a way to test the prototype.
Fucking A.
The rest of the Ascension group will be trying to escape the facility.
Bowman, Brooks, keep flank round to the north tunnel. No one sneaks out that back door. Mason and Weaver, you're on me.
Target down! Поддержаю!
Reloading, give me cover!
Grenade out! Enemy down! Got him!
Throwing a frag! Grenade out! Target down! Target down! He's dead! Contact down!
He's down!
Давай на поражение!
He's down!
Вижу их!
Give me some cover! Grenade out! Reloading, give me cover!
Confirmed!
Okay. Tell me got the hell out of here.
Not yet. We're going after Dragovich.
We're losing them again. Stay with me, Mason.
Kravchenko escaped before we could get to him.
You were getting close. Dragovich was there, wasn't
We
he?
searched the whole base. Couldn't find the bastard
This is a
anywhere.
waste of time. He's delusional.
And then we ran into Dragovich's limo. I had him.
Satisfied, Mason?
No! No, not yet. Not until I see the body.
Dragovich, did you confirm the kill?
Trust me. That rat ass is a fucking charcoal briquette.